to the channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am also very good. And today is the Sunday and the time is 7:30 and we are going to the DMart. And today's video we will shoot what offers DMarts are giving us. So just I want to show you that what I wear today. See. This is a one-piece dress and I think I bought it from Myntra or Jabang. I don't want to be late today, so let's go with me to DMart.
So guys, this is the outside scenario of my building and we are going to take an auto because DMart is not that much far away from our house. My husband is saying hi to all of you guys. Well, Mumbai at unlock 4 and we are going to DMart after a long time. Almost after 2 months. It seems everything is open up. Quite different from the last time. Feeling really good to be out after a long time.
A word of precaution for you guys, the COVID threat is not over yet, so don't let your guard down. Cheers.
So friends, finally we reached DMart. Let's see what's inside. I hope guys you all are really enjoying the shopping because DMarts really gives lots of discounts on every products.
Hey guys, we back from DMart today and this is my today's whole shopping from DMart. Most of the time I prefer to go DMart since we found it is less costly and DMart always gives an exclusive offers. And we try to take at least 2 months groceries at a time. So let's start. Let's show you what I bought from DMart today. First I will show you this little glass cups.
It really looks very nice. I think I will prefer to drink green tea in it, which is really tasteless. It may help me a bit. Also, I bought these beautiful fiber bowls with rupees 149 each. I really love this colorful piece of art, mostly the bright colors and the design. Here's also the designer coffee cups I bought with rupees 69 each. Also, I bought this stainer and this pizza cutter. These were the utensils I really missed in my kitchen, and these are very cheap also, around 75 each. These jugs I think I bought with rupees 149.
Now let's move to the offer sections. First I will show you the buy one get one offer. Here this is a hand wash. This is Godrej MasterChef's hand wash, and it comes in 750 ml of packets, and the price of this product is 140 rupees. In 140 rupees I got 1.5 liters of hand wash. Also this floor cleaner, this comes in 92 rupees, and this is a 1 liter bottle, and I got also the 1 bottle free with this. So with 92 rupees I got total 2 liters of floor cleaner. Now this is Colgate Plus mouthwasher. So I also got the offer with this mouth freshener and the coffee Cafe. This is a packet of 50 gram, and I got another 50 gram free with it. This is not a buy one get one offer. This is a Harpic toilet cleanser, and I got a free bottle of Harpic. This is I think bathroom cleanser. So I think you all know what is the difference between toilet cleaner and bathroom cleaner. Actually I love this offer because I love the brand Unibic, because the cookies are really very crispy, and this is Unibic Choco Chips cookies. They also have some Jeera cookies. I love that one very much, but I don't get that cookies packet. So with the price of 165 I got 1 kg biscuits. I think I already show you all the offer sections, and now lastly I just want to show this agarbatti, Mangaldeep agarbatti. I also get buy one get one free.
Here are some groceries like tea packet, and this is the body wash, and this is Lapsi Rava small, and here has some cheese packets. This is the sliced cheese, and next is this is the Goodnight refill pack. This is honey. Honey is really very good for the health. And next is the sandwich spread. This is the Kisan mango jam. This month we took lots of things for the breakfast. And here it is the regular use ginger garlic pastes. Then I will show you here Maggi. This is chicken Maggi. Here has some Ippi noodles. Also here are some soya beans packets, and next this is the Kellogg's fruit and nut muesli for the breakfast. Govardhan butter, and next is the Amul ghee. Sanitizer, which is really very important for this situation. Some bathroom freshener, and I think this is lavender and the lemon flavor. Dish cleanser. Also have some atta packet shampoo for my husband. This is for this is mine, Vatika, which I am using for the last 2 and 3 months, and it works very good. Some napkins for the kitchens. Here has some almonds which has anti-aging properties, and I try to take it regularly in the morning. And it's a 1 kg brown rice packet. So guys, I think I have done.
आज आज हम लोगों ने बाहर से खाना ऑर्डर किया है रात को। आज है वीकेंड, तो वीकेंड को थोड़ा सा बहुत दिनों के बाद बाहर से खाना हम लोग मंगवा रहे हैं। पहले तो मतलब मोस्टली सभी वीकेंड में बाहर से हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ मंगवा रहे थे, कुछ कबाब शबाब ये सब कुछ। आज वैसे पिज़्ज़ा खाने का मन था, लेकिन पिज़्ज़ा उतना ठीक पसंद नहीं आया बात, और मेरे हस्बैंड को पिज़्ज़ा उतना अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है खाने में, इसीलिए मैं हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा चेंज किया मेनू। तो देखिए आज क्या क्या हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया। यहाँ पे है, लास्ट डे भी हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर किया था कुछ चीज़, वो था ये हक्का नूडल्स ही था, लेकिन उन लोगों ने दिया था मुझे सेजवान राइस। हक्का नूडल्स एना 2 प्लेट हक्का नूडल्स, और उसके साथ ये आपका है क्रिस्पी चिकन। ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है टेस्ट।
Well, end of a really busy day, but it was also very fruitful, so I am happy.
Well, my wife seems happy, so I am happy too. Peace at home.
So the time has came to say goodbye once again. If you like my content, please do subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care and good night.